All throughout websites, items need to be prioritized. For instance, these menu items need to be in a particular order, and within the menu items themselves are also items that are in certain priorities. Even within things like drop-downs, you can also see that these items are in a priority. And PLUJO allows you to prioritize items very simply. Using the webpages module as an example, let's take a look at how we can change the priority of items in PLUJO. Item priority or order can be changed using the priority column, using the up and down arrows that you can see here, as well as in the settings tabs of most pages or items that you have available on your website. Looking at the priority column first, we can see that we can change the priority of the menu items as well as the pages that are within these menu items. For example, we can see that the FAQ page here is above the job postings page. If I was to click on the green down arrow, I can move it down one level, where we can now see it below the job postings page. If we jump back to the website, the FAQ is above the job postings. If I just refresh the page, we can now see the FAQ is below the job postings. And as I'd mentioned, the same can also be done with the menu items. If we want to move the About menu item above the Home menu item, I'll click on the up arrow for the About menu item. And we can now see it's above the Home item. And again, jumping back to the website and refreshing the page, we can now see the About item is in front of the Home item. As I had mentioned before, we can also make the same adjustment in any one of the pages as well, clicking on the FAQ page. In the Settings tab, we also have a priority drop-down, and we can determine which order we want this page to be in. Right now it's after job postings, but I'm going to put it as last. And save my work here. The advantage of using the priority drop-down is that if you have a long list of items, you can instantly move it to the position that you want without having to click the up and down arrows as you saw in the previous view multiple times. And if we take a look at the list view again, we can see that the FAQ is again below the job postings page. As mentioned, priority is used all throughout PLUJO. Let's show you one more example. In the staff module, we can also change the priority of the staff members, but also in the category manager, we can manage the order of the categories. Right now it's category 1, 2, and 3. We can simply move category 3 up one level, just below category 1 now. And again, going back to the website, we can see the original order, and if I refresh the page, we can see the new order here.